Hi, I'm Dr. Antonia Johnson. For this speech tip, we will focus on the SH sound and the S. We will use a word from Sang on Facebook. Sang says, "Hi, Antonia. Can you please show us how to pronounce the word associate? Thank you." You say it. Some people say associate. Some people say associate. For this speech tip video, we will do the noun form of this word. This is a very popular word when it is a noun. Work employees and sales clerks are often called associates. The noun form of this word is difficult, primarily because of the third syllable spelled C-I. So let's start there. The C can be pronounced either as an SH sound or an S sound. The easy way to make an accurate SH sound is to make your lips into a kiss and push the air out slowly but strongly. There is no voice or sound from your throat. Shh. You do it. Shh. You do it. Shh. Now let's add the vowel to this pronunciation. The I vowel is pronounced as a long vowel E. So this syllable is pronounced she. You do it. She. You can also pronounce the C as an S sound. The easy way to make an S sound is to spread your lips into a smile. Make your tongue flat inside your mouth and push air out slowly but strongly. There is no voice or sound from your throat. S. You do it. S. You do it. S. Now, let's put the vowel spelled with an I, but pronounced as a long vowel E with it. See. You do it. See. Remember, we are doing the pronunciation for the noun version of this word. Let's put the syllables together for the word. Here are some cool tips. The A in the first syllable is pronounced like the A in father. Ah, you do it. Ah. The O is a long vowel O because it is in an open syllable. Oh. The last A in this word, when it is a noun, is tricky. For the noun, the A is pronounced as a short vowel I. It. So, all the syllables put together are pronounced so, she, it. You do it. So, she, it. Remember, you can also pronounce the C as an S. So the word can be pronounced so, see it. You do it. So, see it. Associate. Thank you for watching this speech tip video. Like us on Facebook for more videos or subscribe to us here on YouTube. Let us know which words are hard for you to pronounce. We may use them in future speech tip videos. For more information on accent reduction, visit our website at cleartalkmastery.com.